In 2020, we at Fresh Approach coordinated a Bay Area coalition of farms and grassroots organizations to deliver more than 5 million servings of fresh, locally grown produce to families in need. In 2022, we want to expand that coalition statewide and create a local food resiliency network that can coordinate together to respond during emergencies like wildfires and economic hardship. We have developed a prototype interactive map that we imagine will be an open source tool to be used amongst coalition members as a way to visualize the network, recruit new members, share in knowledge and funding, and collectivize impact data. This tool will be a value proposition for new groups to join the network, as well as a way to aggregate collective impact data and use it to advocate for state and federal investment. It will also serve as a landing place for other philanthropic funders to direct their giving to specific regions and organizations. I'd like to quickly show you this map, which will demonstrate both our impact in summer 2020, as well as lay out a vision for how we imagine this tool can develop in the future. To orient you, I will begin with one of our network members, Pie Ranch, who served San Mateo and Santa Clara counties. Pie Ranch is here in blue to indicate that they were a hub organization in our network, responsible for aggregating food, packing it, and delivering it. There are also orange dots, representing our farms, and yellow dots representing the grassroots organizations who received and distributed the food to their communities. These blue lines indicate the flow of money and food between Pie Ranch and its farms. It's a way for us to visualize the economic impact of the project and be transparent to funders about where their investment is reaching. Gradient here indicates volume. This farm, for example, received $55,000 over the course of the project, and this farm, $37,000. Another feature of our map is a function to assign filters to our various categories. We want our network members to assert their own mission and priority setting for the farms they want to work with. We have some examples here of what those filters might be. Here I am toggling on the farms owned by people of color, those that are organic, and those owned by women. These farms are all three. Other filters we can add in an expanded tool are beginning farms, regenerative farms, or farms at risk of losing their business who may benefit greatly from this program. Moving over to the distribution side in orange lines, gradient again indicates volume. The filters here indicate distribution partners associated with schools and those who are also receiving food from the food bank. As you can see here, very few of our sites were also served by the food bank. This indicates that our model of emergency food relief does not compete with food banks, but works in parallel with them, able to serve smaller sites that don't traditionally distribute food. But Pie Ranch is just one of our network members. When you zoom out to include all our members, you can see the geographic spread of the project and how we made a relatively small investment from the USDA distribute widely through the regional food system. With an expanded tool, we will add more network members who can log in and manage their own datasets, build a robust database for analyzing the data, as well as create dashboards for quick visualizations. We also intend to make this a collaborative and open source project and convene a design committee so network members and different stakeholder types can have input on future design. This tool will have programmatic value for network members, as well as function as a framing device for how we can organize and coordinate the coalition itself.